trust you.
Hey y'all, I'm Chrissy. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a how-to on washing raw hair. Start with the detox. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda act as a clarifying shampoo. This gets any dirt or chemical buildup off the hair. For my sensitive skin community, y'all know the vibes. It's time for the hair assessment. It's time for the hair assessment. Things I'm looking for during the rinse are texture, how the hair feels, is it giving what it's supposed to give, what color the water is turning. If the water is sudsy, that's a good sign. It's for the most part clean. If it's dark, you might want to go in and do a second wash. Because Chrissy's hair is sourced from women of South India, the hair has a natural wave and curl pattern. No chemicals or steam was needed to get this curl. AKA, it's non-processed. AKA, it's raw hair. It's that good raw. Now let's show this hair some love with a moisturizer shampoo or a shampoo bath. Step 1 into restoring moisture back into the hair. Luxury wash for luxury hair. Yes, darling. A step you don't want to rush is rinsing. I was taught this patting technique and to get all the soap and residue off the hair, and trust it works. And it's necessary. No dry, ashy, stiff bundles over here. Pat, pat, pat. Now for my fave. The condition and detangle. I love the consistency of that conditioner. I personally like to mix 2. And if you would like to know what products I used, comment below. I definitely don't mind sharing. This is where I season my bundles, okay? I make sure that the hair is fully saturated with product before I go in with a brush or a wide tooth comb to detangle. I say that again. Before I use a brush or a wide tooth comb, I make sure I have product in the hair. Because the hair is in its most fragile state when wet. All hair, your hair, her hair, my hair, blue hair, detangle with conditioner. That scrunch, yeah, that's to make sure the curls get its full definition. And this is for the hydration. Hydration treatments are great to get conditioner deep into the hair follicles, add shine, and improve curl definition. I also like to scrunch my bundles here as well once I have the product fully through the hair. This is them wet and this is them dry. If you guys want to know any more about wigs, bundles, HD lace products, feel free to comment below, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.